So how many of you guys are just super excited to hear the news that Russia finally announced that they are going to de-escalate what's going on over at the border of Ukraine, and they are going to be pulling back troops? This is huge news, right? This is something that we've all been waiting for with the talk about war, especially the US getting involved. Just brought very negative pressure to the overall market. And I'm going to keep today's video super short and sweet. One of the things that I quickly wanted to talk about is the NASDAQ market. We're at a critical level. I'm trying to look out for every beginner trader out there. The market, the NASDAQ market, has been selling off for 6 weeks, for all of January, and as well as for the first 2 weeks of February. We've already had to wait 6 weeks. What's just a little bit more time, right? How horrible would it be that the market begins to go up, it approaches the same level that it did before at the EMA line or at 14,500 for the NASDAQ index, and then it gets rejected, or that we approach it again, just like we did on Friday, and then the news gets released, right? I made a video on this, go back to it, right? As everyone else always, and I make the videos of like buy now, even kind of like this one, right? I make the videos to grab your attention, but if you ever watch the actual content of the video, I always explain why I try to encourage beginners to be more conservative. That, yeah, it might not be a bad idea to buy early, but again, we've been getting rejected for so many weeks already. And we're about to approach that same EMA line and that same 14,500 resistance level for the NASDAQ index. So why not? If you've waited 6 weeks already, if you feel like you've gone through a roller coaster of emotion, why not simply take a step back, set an alert, and then when the opportunity does present itself, if we do begin to make higher highs and higher lows, then great. I'm sure you and I can both agree, right? If you've traded before, how much easier, it's still not easy, but how much easier is it to make money in the market when the direction is in your favor, when it's bullish? The past 6 weeks are a perfect example of when not to trade during bearish markets. But you want to know what's the most exciting about this? Is that if you weren't invested at these very high levels, people like you and I, right? As the market sold off, there's so many deals. Tesla is trading at $900. Apple is trading at $170. It's not super cheap, but it's still cheap. Facebook right now is trading at $220. It's not that you have to invest in every stock. That's not what it's about. But it's times like this where you can make a big difference, where you can not only learn a lot, but make a lot, right? But it's the actions that you take today that your future self can thank you for, right? We talk about this all the time with my Learn, Plan, Profit group. It's every previous recession was viewed as an opportunity. Oh man, I should have bought more. But every current recession is viewed as a risky time to invest. Why is that? Well, perspective, right? Because you can always look back and be like, yeah, now looking at how things have played out, I should have invested more. But guess what? This is why we always say patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to, but this is why we wait for confirmation. So I'm super excited to hear the news that Russia did happen to de-escalate and they're pulling back troops. This is great news for the overall market. This should act as a positive catalyst, just like we experienced today. Check all of your tech stocks. They're most likely up. Now I want you to be aware of this resistance level at 14,500. I need you to be aware of it. I don't want anyone watching this video to not be aware of it and or to be surprised, right? We set an alert. If you want to buy in early, I'm not here to tell you what to do. You're an adult, right? If you want to buy in early, all power to you. All I'm saying is we've waited 6 weeks already. What's just a little bit more time, right? Set those alerts. I like to stay cool, calm, and collected. And let's be honest, a big goal for 2022 is to keep trading simple. And I plan to do that by setting my alerts, waiting for confirmation. And then when that direction is in my favor, that's when I step on the gas. That's when we make the money. And one of the things that I actually wanted to give a huge shout out to is Moomoo. Moomoo actually sponsored today's video. And not only, again, just hold up, just like almost every other person promoting Moomoo, one of the things that I need you guys to know is that yes, just by downloading the Moomoo platform, not only do you get the opportunity to win up to 5 free stocks, but one of the things that I wanted to do on my YouTube channel, Moomoo doesn't even know I'm doing this. I wanted to give away $1,000 and I want you guys to decide down in the comment section. Should I give it away $100 to 10 different people, 5 different people, $250 or $200, right? Or just one person? A $1,000 deposit to wherever it is that you want me to, right? All you have to do is click the first link down below, download the Moomoo trading platform. You guys can use the desktop version. They also have a great mobile app. Not only do you get the chance to win up to 5 free stocks, but also you get to partake in today's giveaway, right? You guys decide if this video gets over 1,000 likes, comment down below. Do you want one person to win $1,000, or do you want to kind of share the reward? With up to 5 people at $200, you guys can let me know down in the comment section. I wanted to spice things up. I wanted it to be an incentive. And a question I always get from traders, especially if you're within the United States, is, you might have different trading platforms and you might not be open to the idea of trying something new. I don't know if you guys know this, but if you're under the PDT rule, which means that you can only take 3 day trades within a 5-day period, you can open up more than just one trading account. So if you already have other accounts and you're like, oh, why already use this? Well, did you know that you can open Moomoo, you can fund it, and the trading restrictions from your other account don't actually apply to this one as well? Something to actually take into consideration, especially if you're a proactive day trader and you want to day trade not just on one platform. And guess what? Again, Moomoo is updating their application time and time again, so you might actually end up falling in love with the actual application. And again, that is that first link down below. Download the application and comment down below what you would like. Do you want 5 people to win $200 or 1 person to win $1,000? And again, I can see everyone who uses my link, so I'm only going to be giving away this either prize to the 5 people or to the 1 person who actually use the link and download the Moomoo platform. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message via Instagram, and that is going to be that second link down below. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that you guys are super excited for the NASDAQ to start making a recovery. But again, better safe than sorry. Let's set those alerts and let's wait for that proper confirmation. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.